transported by the school. We're gonna go check it out. Rice drying on the road there. Wow. Up front there is a bunch of rice drying on the road. Bunch of bags of rice. Same crew as the other day. Pulling a lot of rice out of it. Tell you folks, it is hot again today. There's a breeze, but it's a hot breeze. No rain in sight. That field looks like that portion of that field is done. Check that one out. Probably by the time I get there, that one will be done too. Moving along. Hello. Hello. Another field that's just been completed. Rice bags all over. I'm gonna guess it's the same collection crew that's down the road there. Might even be the ones down the street who are loading the truck. Take a ride, check it out. activity around out here today. Captured on film, but apparently the harvesters just take the rice hulls and into the bags when they're going through the fields, and then later on, that other video I showed you where it's just the machine doing the rice hull, taking the rice out of the hulls and dumping the hulls on the side of the road. They were back in front of the house last night about 2 hours after dark, just continually putting those bags through there and dumping or de-hulling the rice in the bag. So another one that stopped over here. Hello. Some of these look like they're being done by hand. Do this for 2 or 3 weeks. What do they do with the rest of the year? The rest of the 5 months? I'm talking about the workers. Then they put the cows in the field, the cows and the horses, and oh. Check this one out. They're moving them by horse. I don't see this every day either. Oh, that's different. This is one of your solar dryers, which is, like I said, concrete pad. Hello.
Sir, hello. Good morning.
Get a close up. By horse. Didn't see that coming. Interesting. All right, moving along. Hello. Not expect that. Hello. Saw the video last week. jumped up about 5 inches. Low. Another one drying the rice in the field. See a bunch of rice drying up here on this road as well once we get to the road. Almost there. Certainly be nice when they get this one paved. Coconut husks. Rice. And more rice. Waiting to get a harvester out in front of our house. A couple of horses in the field there. Probably glad they don't have sacks of rice on their back right now. Get it, because a lot of these trucks come to get their landfill and go down this road, and it doesn't look like there's room to get down the road. Over and do the house update in a little while. All that going on in the back road. Let's see what's going on in the front road. Field's done, that field's done. Field in front of our house, one of the last ones that appears. rice hulls, bunch of piles of them on the side of the roads here. First field run across that hasn't been done. Tell you, when you see that coconut meat on the side of the roads, it has a stench to it. Harvester out there. He's on break too. We have another solar dryer right up here. Gotta get the camera over. You see this one's got quite a load on it. Better view when we come back by. Quite a few fields up here that haven't been done yet. They're ready. Definitely ready. Hey! I'm just taking a chance so you can hear me. First time I've used a GoPro on the scooter. Hope the sound's coming through. They cut the corn. Looks like they're getting ready to replant the corn. Like everybody's gainfully employed right now. hope everybody finds this as exciting as I do, because this is province life. This is excitement, folks. I don't know what I'm gonna do when the rice harvest ends. Back to the boring life. Up for this truck to pass. And that's it, folks. Hope you enjoyed today's tour. It's like Heidi's trying to get cool. All right. See you later, guys.